Let me take you aboard the Norwegian Sky, a ship that has been sailing the Caribbean waters since 1999 and continues to offer great value for cruise enthusiasts. This mid-size vessel might not be the newest kid on the block, but it has carved out a solid reputation for delivering quality experiences without breaking the bank. After multiple refurbishments, including a significant update in 2019, the Norwegian Sky maintains its position as a reliable choice for families and couples seeking Caribbean adventures. The ship accommodates around 2,000 passengers, making it smaller than many modern megaships, which actually works in its favor. You will not feel lost in massive crowds, and the intimate atmosphere makes it easier to get around and enjoy the amenities. The Norwegian Sky operates primarily from Miami, offering convenient access to popular Caribbean destinations. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of newer ships, it delivers solid fundamentals that many cruisers appreciate. When it comes to accommodations, the Norwegian Sky offers a range of options to suit different budgets and preferences. The inside staterooms are compact but functional, measuring around 140 to 160 square feet. These rooms prove that you do not need a window to have a comfortable cruise experience, especially since you will likely spend most of your time exploring the ship and destinations. The rooms come equipped with standard amenities including a television, private bathroom, climate control, and a safe for your valuables. Moving up to ocean view staterooms, you gain natural light and ocean views through windows or portals. These rooms are slightly larger at 160 to 180 square feet and provide that connection to the sea that many cruisers crave. The difference in price between inside and ocean view cabins is often minimal, making this upgrade worthwhile for many travelers. The rooms maintain the same amenities as inside cabins, but add the psychological benefit of natural light and sea views. Balcony staterooms represent a significant step up in comfort and space. These rooms range from 180 to 215 square feet plus the private balcony area. Having your own outdoor space is a game changer, especially in the Caribbean where the weather is usually perfect for relaxing outside. You can enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail in privacy while watching the ocean go by. The balcony furniture is comfortable, and the sliding glass doors open fully to create an indoor-outdoor living experience. For those seeking more luxury, the mini suites and full suites offer considerably more space and upgraded amenities. Mini suites range from 270 to 320 square feet, including the balcony, while full suites can exceed 375 square feet. These accommodations often feature separate living areas, upgraded bathrooms with whirlpool tubs, and enhanced toiletries. Some suite categories include butler service and priority reservations for specialty restaurants, adding a touch of VIP treatment to your cruise experience. The dining scene on Norwegian Sky offers variety without overwhelming choices. The main dining room serves as the heart of the culinary experience, offering international cuisine with flexible seating arrangements. Unlike traditional cruise dining with assigned times and tables, Norwegian Cruise Line pioneered the freestyle dining concept, allowing you to eat when and where you want. The menu changes nightly and includes options like steak, seafood, pasta, and vegetarian dishes that cater to most dietary preferences. For casual dining, the Garden Cafe serves as the ship's main buffet venue. This space offers international cuisine throughout the day, with fresh salads, hot entrees, and desserts. The buffet setup allows you to sample different cuisines and eat at your own pace. The venue gets busy during peak meal times, but the selection is extensive enough that you can usually find something appealing even during crowded periods. Ocean's Neighborhood Bar and Grill brings Irish pub atmosphere to the ship with casual fare like burgers, fish and chips, and other pub favorites. This venue operates as both a restaurant and bar, making it a popular gathering spot throughout the day and evening. The atmosphere is relaxed and friendly, perfect for watching sports or enjoying a casual meal with friends or family. The specialty dining options require additional fees but offer elevated experiences. Cagney's Steakhouse serves premium cuts of meat and fresh seafood in an upscale setting. La Cucina focuses on Italian cuisine with authentic pasta dishes, antipasti, and Italian desserts. Moderno Churrascaria offers a Brazilian-style steakhouse experience with endless servings of various grilled meats. These restaurants require reservations and smart casual attire, but they provide a nice break from the main dining room and buffet options. The pool and sun deck areas on Norwegian Sky provide multiple options for relaxation and fun. The ship features two main pools, including one designated for families and another for adults seeking a quieter environment. The adult pool area tends to be more peaceful, especially during sea days when families are using the main pool area. Both pools are surrounded by comfortable loungers, and the deck space is adequate without feeling cramped. Multiple whirlpools are scattered around the pool decks, providing warm water relaxation with ocean views. These hot tubs are popular during cooler weather or evening hours when the pools might feel too cold. The positioning of the whirlpools allows for great ocean views while soaking. The sun decks offer plenty of space for lounging, with both sunny and shaded areas available throughout the day. While Norwegian Sky does not feature elaborate water slides or aquaparks like newer ships, it compensates with well-designed pool areas that serve their purpose effectively. The poolside bars keep drinks flowing, and the casual atmosphere encourages relaxation rather than high-energy water activities. For families with small children, the main pool area provides a safe and enjoyable environment for water play. The ship also features a jogging track on the upper deck, perfect for morning runs with ocean views. A basketball court and mini-golf course provide additional outdoor recreation options. These facilities might seem basic compared to newer ships, but they offer quality entertainment without the crowds that often plague megaship amenities. Onboard activities on Norwegian Sky strike a balance between entertainment and relaxation. The main theater hosts Broadway-style shows, comedy acts, and live music performances throughout the cruise. The production shows are professional quality, featuring talented performers, elaborate costumes, and impressive choreography. The theater size creates an intimate setting where every seat offers good views of the stage. The casino offers a full range of gaming options including slot machines, blackjack, poker, and roulette. The casino atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming, and the staff is helpful for beginners who want to learn new games. Regular tournaments and special events add excitement for serious gamblers, while casual players can enjoy the social atmosphere. Multiple lounges and bars throughout the ship provide venues for live music, dancing, and themed parties. The Sky Bar offers panoramic views and creative cocktails, while Malting's Beer and Whiskey Bar caters to craft beer enthusiasts and whiskey connoisseurs. These venues host various events throughout the cruise, from karaoke nights to dance parties. Daily activities include trivia contests, dance classes, pool games, and educational talks about upcoming destinations. The activity level is moderate, providing options for those who want structured entertainment without overwhelming passengers who prefer to relax. Cooking demonstrations, art auctions, and wine tastings add cultural elements to the cruise experience. The Mandara Spa provides a full range of wellness services and treatments. The facility includes treatment rooms for massages, facials, body wraps, and other spa services. The spa menu offers everything from relaxing Swedish massages to more specialized treatments like hot stone therapy and aromatherapy sessions. The staff is professional and skilled, creating a truly relaxing experience. Spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and thermal suite for guests who want to extend their wellness experience beyond individual treatments. The relaxation lounges provide quiet spaces to unwind before or after treatments. The spa often offers package deals that combine multiple treatments at discounted rates, making it more affordable to enjoy several services. The fitness center features modern cardio equipment, weight machines, and free weights. Large windows provide ocean views while exercising, making workouts more enjoyable than typical gym experiences. Group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aerobic sessions led by certified instructors. Personal training sessions are available for guests who want customized workout plans. Wellness programs extend beyond the spa and fitness center to include seminars on healthy living, nutrition talks, and stress management workshops. These programs add educational value to the cruise experience while promoting healthy lifestyle choices. The combination of spa services, fitness facilities, and wellness education creates a comprehensive approach to health and relaxation. Norwegian Sky welcomes families with children through well-designed kids and teens programs. Splash Academy serves children ages 3 to 12 with age-appropriate activities, games, and educational programs. The Kids Club space is colorful and engaging, with trained youth counselors supervising activities throughout the day. Parents can drop off children for supervised fun while enjoying adult-oriented activities. The teen program, called Entourage, caters to teenagers with video games, music, social events, and teen-only spaces. This program recognizes that teenagers have different interests than younger children and provides age-appropriate entertainment. Teen activities often include dance parties, movie nights, and social games that help teenagers connect with peers. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.